Another milestone for Beanie Maloy and Beanie Colette. The latest update of Beanie as they bloom wherever they go. Today, two of the members of Beanie celebrates a very special day, ang pagtatapos ng senior high ni Beanie Maloy at Beanie Colette. Napatunayan din nila na ang pagkamit ng pangarap sa mundo ng showbiz ay di hadlang upang di sila makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Ika nga, born to win and born to slay, kina Beanie Maloy at Beanie Colette sa pagtatapos ng senior high. Malayo pa, pero mas malayo pa ang kanilang mararating. Congrats to Beanie Maloy and Beanie Colette, and here are the comments of the Kablooms congratulating both of them. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.